Brace yourselves, Northeast. Two massive storms are heading your way. Get ready for a double whammy of winter storms. Two powerful systems are set to hit the Northeast. Expect heavy snow and gusty winds. In Massachusetts, hazardous driving conditions are a certainty. First storm arriving tonight. Snowfall rates up to 2 inches per hour. Stay off the roads if you can. If you must drive, keep your distance and drive slowly. Second storm, right behind it. More snow, more wind, more danger. Power outages are possible. Stock up on essentials now. Clear your walkways and check on neighbors. Stay updated with local weather alerts. Your safety is priority number one. Remember, winter storms can be deadly. Preparation is key. Stay safe, Northeast.